Hello and welcome to today's episode. Today we are going to make popcorn. Okay, I still get a lot of people talking about they are not getting their popcorn right, but this is a simple thing to do. What you need is just popcorn, or let me say, just corn and your vegetable oil. Please make sure you ask you when you're buying your popcorn, tell them you're looking for popcorn type. All right, first thing you will need to do is to light your gas, and then you add your vegetable oil and allow to steam a bit, and put your add your corn, little of it. Just watch the way I'm demonstrating, and please listen to the sound carefully. I'm not going to play any music when I'm popping, so I think I follow the noise of the corn popping to know when it has started and when it has ended, and then to stop, turn off the gas. Thank you. Okay, guys, let me chip in something here. You notice each time I will move the pan, I'm trying to get it mixed since I'm using a local way to make it, and I really want to make sure that all the corn is being popped. Wow, as simple as that. Okay, guys, so that's the final result we got there. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel for more video, and also like this video and share to other friends. Thank you and bye.